What if the dream was never meant to remain untouched? What if falling apart was part of becoming whole? This is the story of rebuilding, of integration, of quiet strength. There comes a moment when the dream shatters, not in drama, but in silence, a slow erosion of hope. The INFP watches their inner world, once so vivid, fade into something fragile. They feel too much, but say too little. And the world? It moves too fast, too loud, too unkind. So the dreamer retreats, thinking perhaps the dream was a mistake. But dreams don't die. They reshape. And so begins the quiet revolution within. But something stirs. Quiet. Resolute. Introverted feeling, FI, remains. Not weaker, but wiser. It no longer clings to perfection. It seeks truth. The dream is no longer a castle in the clouds. It is a seed planted in real soil. And growth, as every dreamer learns, is not soft. It is sacred. FI doesn't retreat, it refines. It says,
"This still matters, even if no one else sees it yet."
This is the beginning of self-trust, a loyalty to the vision, even in silence. Extroverted intuition, NE, reawakens, not in chaos, but in curiosity. It no longer floods the mind with escape routes. It asks,
What else is possible?
and he begins to map paths forward. Not just dreams of what could be, but threads of what can become. Then, SI steps forward, not to bind, but to ground. It whispers,
You've been here before. You survived. You learned.
memories once heavy become guides. Patterns no longer predict pain. They inform purpose. And TE, once dismissed, now becomes a bridge. Not a wall, not a cage, but a frame through which expression finds form. TE says,
You can build it, not just dream it.
it outlines, it simplifies, it gives weight and direction to values that once floated unspoken. The INFP no longer asks the world to match their vision. They shape the world with it, a little more each day. They choose people who see them. They speak when it matters. They stay soft without disappearing. They feel deeply. And now, they also act. The functions don't fight anymore. They dance. FI guides, NE imagines, SI remembers, TE builds. Each step is small but intentional. Each word rooted in meaning. This is not the disappearance of the dreamer. It is their emergence, in full color and with both feet on the ground. The mature INFP still dreams, but dreams with their hands. They journal not just to escape, but to understand. They create not to impress, but to connect. They say no without guilt. They say yes with purpose. They make peace with unfinished things, with quiet days, with simplicity. They don't need to be understood by everyone, just seen by the few who matter. They begin to see even themselves, with softness, with pride. And in that self-recognition, the dreamer becomes the artist of their own becoming. This is the mature dreamer, one who creates beauty, not to escape the world, but to honor it. They are not broken. They are rebuilt. They no longer wait for the right moment. They become the moment. If this resonated with you, leave a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe, because even the quietest vision deserves to be seen. And maybe it starts with you. Some silences are not empty. They are transitions. Some paths intertwine, even when they seem to part. And sometimes the one who stopped speaking never stopped feeling. Time doesn't erase what was real. It prepares it.